Hello friends, I am Ambika. Welcome to SA Educational Hub, a platform to share knowledge, service providers Situn and Ambika. In this Python tutorial, we will learn what is a comment, use of comments, single line comments, multi-line comments or block comments, examples of single line comments and multi-line comments. Comments in Python. Like other programming languages, Python lets you enter a remark into a program's source file. A comment describes or explains the operation of the program to anyone who is reading its source code. The contents of a comment are ignored by the compiler. In real application, comments generally explain how some part of the program works or what a specific feature does. It is helpful if the person who writes the code places some comments in the code to help the reader. There are two different formats of comments, single line comments and multi-line or block comments. As a general rule, programmers use multi-line comments for longer remarks and single line comments for brief line by line description. Single line comment. A single line comment begins with a hash character and ends at the end of the line. Single line comments are used for brief line by line descriptions. The single line comment can start anywhere on the line. Example: open the Python IDE or any text editor, type this Python code and run it. In this example, line is assigned to A and a single line comment is used, which is a partial single line comment. The single line comment can start anywhere on the line. The second line contains a single line comment. This is a whole line comment. Next is print A. The output will be 9. The contents of a comment are ignored by the compiler. We are free to write whatever you want inside the comment. In real applications, comments generally explain how some part of the program works or what a specific feature does. Block comment or multi-line comment. A block comment is used when the comment will span several lines. While the hash character marks the beginning of a comment for the rest of the line, a multi-line string is often used for comments that span multiple lines. There are two different ways to enter a block or multi-line comment in Python: using triple quotes and using hash character. Using triple quotes. We can use triple quotes, single or double, for multi-line or block comments. Everything between the triple quotes is ignored by the compiler. Example: in this example, we started with the multi-line comments by using triple quotes. A block or multi-line comment is used when the comment will span several lines. Next is the Python print statement. The output will be example of multi-line comments. Everything between the triple quote is ignored by the compiler. Using hash character. We can add a hash character at the beginning of every line part of the multi-line comments. Example: in this example, we started with the multi-line comments by using hash character. We have added a hash character at the beginning of every line that is part of the multi-line comments. Next is Python print statement. The output will be example of multi-line comments using hash. The contents of a comment are ignored by the compiler. One final thought. When testing a program, programmers will sometimes place a hash character in front of a line of code temporarily. When we are trying to figure out why a program is not working, we can utilize this technique. This is called commenting out code. We can remove the hash character when we are ready to reinsert the line. Example: open the Python IDE or any text editor, type this Python code and run it. In this example, we started with the multi-line comments by using triple quotes. It describes the operation of the program to anyone who is reading this source code. Write a Python program to add, subtract, multiply and divide two numbers. In the next steps, 5 is assigned to variable A and 4 is assigned to variable B. Then a single line comment which indicates what this part of the program will do. In the next line, C is equal to A plus B. The following line of code will show the result of the addition. The line also contains a partial single line comment. In the next steps, the code will perform a subtraction operation and display the result. In the next steps, the code will perform multiplication and display the result. In the last part, the code will perform a division operation and display the result. The output will be addition 9, subtraction 1, multiplication 20, division 1.25. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Contact us ambikarai27@gmail.com. Thank you.